Yung pala yun. Soon embarrass me. I'm Indian too. Oh, all is Indian here. Nice. Antonio Marquito, ano to? Haba ng pangalan. Oh my god, there's many friends in India. Yeah, I have a lot of friends. Ista muy buena. Muy buena. Which states are you from? I'm Filipina. I'm from Philippines. Exactly, Lona. Hola, cariño, ista may guapa. Hello, baby. Erwin Pichan. Hello. Hi, Tikok. I love Tikok so much. Hola, mi amor. Guys, I have pimples here. My friend gave me BTS kitchen. Oh, really? Musta ka na, baby? I'm okay, baby. I'm okay, baby. Me gusta mucho. Partially, yes. Don't embarrass me. I'm going out. Bye, Ross. See you. Bye, Lona. Thank you for coming. And then, can you coming back? Did Donnie arrest me? Cielo? Cielo. May kasama ka dyan? Meron po. Yung angel ko. Yung angel. Tikok. Bye, Tikok. Donde estás? Antonio. Where are you from, Antonio? Erwin pala yung pangalan mo, baby. Sino asawa mo, baby? No, I'm just 32. Just 32. See, I'm sharing lots of hearts. Thank you. Thank you. Bye, Shali. Sino asawa mo, baby? Hindi po, yung angel ko yung kasama ko dito. Oh, serious? Yeah, I'm just 32. Just 32 to this year. Me encanta tu sonrisa. Hey, Antonio, I don't understand what are you talking to. You see? Yeah, I see it. Ah, okay, baby. Yes. Wala pa tayong asawa. Maghanap pa lang tayo ng asawa. Pwede ka ba? You see? Yes, I see it. Yo soy de Barcelona, why too? Yeah, I saw that.